In this guide, I'll show you how to fix corrupted data on PS4. So if you're having an issue with a specific title, whether it's a download from the PlayStation Store or it's a disc you're installing the game with, what you want to do is highlight it and press the Options or Start button on your controller, and you want to delete the file and reinstall it. Now, if you're using a game disc, ensure that you take it out and clean it, and then put it back in and try and reinstall it. Now, if you have corrupt data from a specific game download, go up to Notifications and go to your downloads. And what you want to do is find the install and press the Options button and then delete it. Now, once you've done that, you want to try and reinstall it. And if you're still having problems at this point, the next thing I recommend you do is to go to System Settings. And then once you're here, you want to select Account Management. And then you want to go to Restore Licenses and go to Restore. Now, this may fix issues you may be having with verifying the game files that you've actually purchased the game. So once this is finished, what you want to do is try and play that game again. And if you're still having problems after having recovered your licenses, go back to your game once you've reinstalled it. Then you want to press the Start button or Options button on your controller, and you want to update the game once it's fully reinstalled by checking for an update. Now, if it's still not working, what you want to do next is press and hold the PlayStation button on your controller, and then you want to go to Power and turn off your PS4. Once your PS4 is fully turned off, you want to press and hold the power button for about 15 seconds or until you get 2 beeps, which is going to bring you into safe mode. Then what you want to do is plug in your PlayStation controller and into your PS4, and then what you want to do is press the PlayStation button, which will bring us past this first screen where we can see all the safe mode options. Now what you want to do is scroll down to option number 5, Rebuild Database, and what this is going to do is fix any corrupt files on your console, and it'll delete them and get rid of them. Now, if you don't see the game after rebooting up your PS4, that's probably a good sign. It means the corrupted files have been deleted, and then you just want to reinstall it. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.